It is time we nix the tricks. We do too many tricks in mathematics and we find out later in life these same tricks we learned as a child, these shortcuts really don't work. There's a math task that's going viral right now and folks all over the world are getting it wrong. They're arguing, they're talking about this new math. Here's the problem. Most of you were taught the order of operations as a trick, PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The problem is that is not the order of operations. Then you're gonna ask, well, it used to work when I was doing math in school, because the textbook problems were written in a format that followed that. That's an unfortunate mistake a lot of authors made back in the day. But when you truly understand the order of operations is very simple. First, you want to do anything inside grouping symbols. Second, you want to do exponents. Third, you want to do multiplication and division from left to right. Fourth, addition and subtraction from left to right. See, when you're doing that PEMDAS stuff, you all are doing multiplication first, and that's not true. It's multiplication or division from left to right. So here's that task again. 100 divided by 4 times the quantity 2 plus 3. Do we have grouping symbols? Yes. 2 plus 3. Let's do the operation first. We're going to get 5. Now, do we have any exponents? No. Multiplication and division from left to right. 100 divided by 4. What is that? 25. 25 times 5. What is that? 125. Nix the tricks, folks, and you'll get the answer correct every time if you do the order operations correctly. Nix the tricks.